What is going on, guys? I mean, I found something cool on internet and I decided to buy it. And guess what? It's a LEXAR SSD for your iPhone that can do this. Let's get into it. The reason I got this is because of how thin it is. Come on, guys, look at this. Look how small it is. It's super thin, it has a Type-C, it's a lightweight, and it's easy to fit in any of your pockets. Like, you can fit in any pen's pocket, in here. And the cool part about it, it's so fast. It's 2 gigs speed, write and read. That's unbelievable for this light thing. So let me tell you something about it too. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Like, the main reason why I got it is because it comes with this like a protective case that has a MagSafe in it, and even though this thing is already water resistant and dust resistant, you still can have a nice rubber case. But this is a rubber everywhere except this is hard part where the MagSafe is. And so what you do is you just hook up with your phone, and the cool part is that it comes with this small cable, and you just grab it like that and you hook it up straight to it. That's it. Nothing is on the way. When you're walking around, you can grab it like this, just walk around and record your video on your iPhone without worrying, oh, it's gonna drop. For example, like my Charge SSD, that thing doesn't have MagSafe, and so the whole point of that SSD is like when I'm grabbing it, I'm holding it in my hand and I'm recording like this, and sometimes it falls and I'm always scared that it's gonna break the Type-C on iPhone or Type-C cable. So with this thing, it doesn't have that issue because you can do simple this and just walk around. So let me show you just simply how to use this with Blackmagic app. So when you do, you open your Blackmagic app, right? You go in it, you can flip it or this way, doesn't matter. Go to the settings, go all the way to media, and right here on the bottom it says save clips. Yours is gonna say in-app and photo library or in-app only. So to do this, you just click on files like I did right here, and you click on your LEXAR hard drive. That's that simple. And now, meaning that when you're gonna be recording video, when you flip it or even record this way, it says right here on the bottom 7:35, 7 hours and 35 minutes I can record on this 2 terabyte card. That's an awesome thing. Like, it goes straight to here. Same thing if you do just in the actual camera app. When you click on it, the video, and you go to log, that's what it's gonna say, max time of 295. And if I unplug it, it's gonna say only 10 minutes on my phone because my space is running out, even though this is 512 gigabytes. What can I say in conclusion, guys? It's a really nice portable SSD that you can put in any pocket, in your jeans, in your jacket, and it fits in any backpack. It's lightweight, and plus, like I said, it has a MagSafe case with it. So if you're an iPhone user or you have a MagSafe phone case, this thing would be the best. So if you like it, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Just go check it out for yourself, and soon I'll be posting a video comparing this to Charge SSD that I have, M2, and for now this is the one that I like more than the other one. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.